Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video on Python programming. In this video, I will discuss on type conversion in Python, which is also known as typecasting. So let's start with an example. Now, if you want to convert a float value into integer value, then we will use int. If you want to convert 2.75 into integer data type, then you have to use int before your float value. Let's suppose you want to convert a string into integer value, then write down I is equal to int, then pass the string. Now you can see the 234 is a string and it is converted into integer value using int. Let's suppose you want to convert the integer value float value or a string into float, then we will use float, like float to printf. Now you can see the integer value is converted into float value. To convert a string into float value, then now pass the, so you can see 589 is a string and it is converted into 589.0, which is float or fractional value. Let's suppose if you want to convert a float value into string, then we will use a string method and pass the integer value or a float value, and this is same for float value. So you can see the integer value is converted into a string value, and same for float value. Data type is converted into string data type. Now suppose you want to convert a string into list, then we will use relist method and convert this string into a list. Then we will use list and pass this as and print as. So you can see a list is created and with the element, one element of a string into list. And this is same for tuple, dictionary, set. Suppose if you want to convert, suppose you want to convert a string into tuple, then what will happen? So you can see this string is converted into a tuple data type. If you enjoy this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.